What's going on, everybody? I hope everybody doing good today. First, I want to say Merry Christmas to everybody and a Happy New Year's also. Pretty much what this video today is going to be about is just, showing you kind of what the paddle shifters do. Give me a second to let this traffic pass by. Right now, I'm just in regular drive mode. Just driving normal. Nothing major or fast or nothing like that. Got a red light, perfect example. But I want to show you, like, if you tap your paddle shifter, you'll see what gear you're actually in. When you're slowing down to come to a stop, as you can see, it's doing it on its own. Pretty much showing you how it works. So with that being said, you can access your simulated gear mode when you're driving, and you can access it. Just click the paddle. Right now I'm in 4. It go back. But if you click it and you downshift, now it's gonna stay there. It's not gonna come out. As you can see, it didn't downshift on its own like it should or anything like that. So what I want to show you all is the difference. Now that it's been downshift, I'm slowing down here. So when you're slowing down, it goes back. Now the difference is gonna be, you see it in sport mode, right? Now I'm gonna show you, I'm just in drive sport mode. But you click the little button on your thing. If you haven't driven in sport mode, it gives the car better acceleration. Throttle response pretty much. Sometimes it makes the car faster depending on what you're doing. But nothing big or nothing major like that. Let me switch lanes real quick. And so right now, I popped it in the paddle shift mode, in pretty much the sport mode with the paddle shift. When you hit the sport mode button and you hit paddle shift, it don't go back down or anything like that. So with that being said, I just shift down to 5th. I'm gonna ride in 5th, going up the hill. I can see my RPM is a little higher. Now we're getting ready to get on the interstate with it. So, I'm gonna merge into traffic. This is gonna be nothing trying to go fast. Now downshift to 3. Now you don't want to let it just rev downshifting like that, so you want to shift in another gear. 6th gear is the key gear. As you can see, just cruising. And once you get up to about 75, pop it in 7, see your RPMs drop down. And then if you just want to just cruise it, 8. And that's where your RPM should be. It's kind of hard trying to record this pretty much with one hand, but like, you're not going to get any power trying to pass in 8 gear like this, so you're gonna have to drop it down a couple gears. So it won't let me drop no further than 4 right now. As you can see that I'm just showing you pretty much that the car do have a fail-safe system. As you're slowing down, you can just downshift. You can see the RPM just does its thing. But with that being said, like, if you're driving off or whatever like this, just cruising off, you taking off at the light, I'm gonna show y'all a little something. See, got a little space to do it now. see the difference. What I like to do when I'm using the paddles is that I like to get off the gas. And you see, you do it like that. You just get off the gas a little bit, tap the gas, get on, get off. Kind of make it feel like you're driving a stick, like you're popping the clutch or something like that. But it's just all about having fun with the car, but knowing the limits of your car and stuff like that. In this mode, you're not finna get the best gas mileage. I'm gonna let you know that now. But overall, it's just super fun. It's fun to do, fun to drive. I know we got a CVT, but it makes you feel like, okay, you got some kind of control over your car. It responds real good and everything else. So one day I'm gonna be able to record this the way it should be, like the point of view, that way you all can see it good. So I'm gonna drop it down a second, and you're gonna go down here, wait till this car pass. Just having a little fun with it. Now it gets off 20 times faster in first gear. I'm telling you, it's a big difference coming out of first gear on the dig with this thing. If you launch it right, you can't give it the full gas, because this car not going, well, my car specific, it's not going to launch fast and with full gas when you have full throttle. You can't press full throttle. But overall, I mean, it's something fun to do, something fun to just overall have fun. I'm gonna try to give y'all a better perspective of what it looks like without me holding the camera, with the camera pointing at it, that way you all can see it. But just once you learn your car, it's all about learning your car, learning the limitations of your car, learning what to do and what not to do. But if y'all enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all take care. Merry Christmas. Peace out.
Also, be sure to look out for this video. It's coming soon. Be sure y'all stay tuned in. Hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss this. Yeah, you see that right there? Project Blackout coming soon to the channel. Y'all stay safe.